As the physiological begins to race, brain power to my hands began to take place. Jumbled, scrambled, clear as day. This is how the words invade, speaking to my mind and soul, so I can't resist but to enlighten you with my poetic words that so freely consume my space, which is why I have no time to waste. Because as one flows out, many more flow in. This is my gift, there is no doubt. It is my duty to rhyme in a positive light, to keep you uplifted day and night. There is enough negative all around, so I choose to keep you positive bound with poetry and positive vibes. So stick with me and enjoy this powerful ride. For there is power in words, this we should know. So I hope my positivity helps you to grow spiritually, emotionally, mentally, because the words I write are meant to empower your reality. Whether they are being read or being heard, I thank and appreciate you for tuning in to my words. Peace, blessings, much love. Poetic Flow.